Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over recipe costing and Optimum Control. I'm going to go over the process of building a recipe and how to review its cost at any given time. Food and beverage costs are some of the most important elements to watch in any operation, as they dictate how profitable your operation will be. For most restaurants, your food costs can make up to 25 to 40% of your overall operating costs. As we can see, it's very important to not only start with a good food cost percentage, but maintain it in the future. With ingredients changing in cost every day, it's important to have your food cost reflect this. Using a tool like Optimum Control will let you set a correct price for your recipes and allow you to maintain their costs without a lot of hassle. Today we're going to look at a recipe I've already built out and go over how it was created and monitored. In this example of a chili bowl, you'll see everything is broken into sections. The core information is the recipe description, group, and cost. Below the core information is where we find the pricing information, where you would link your POS system and set the price. Once this is established, Optimum Control can pull sales automatically for most POS systems. On the right side are the ingredients that go into making the bowl of chili. In Optimum Control, everything is broken down by items, preps, and products. An item is a raw ingredient you purchase, a prep is an ingredient you make and use, and the product is the final recipe you are selling to customers on your menu. Having everything broken down like this lets you build recipes with ease and monitor cost changes on the fly. To add additional ingredients, you can click above and add an item, prep, or product to the recipe. You can see from the list of ingredients in the chili bowl that it contains both preps and products from the symbols on the left. Each ingredient has a different symbol that will allow you to identify its type in the recipe, in addition to quickly viewing the ingredients. You can see here that this is the big pot of chili to be portioned and used for the product. The prep window gives you the ability to see how much the batch will cost to make and how you will break it down for other recipes. It is designed a lot like the product window, where you add items and preps from the top to the left side. This builds up the overall cost, and on the left side you will see how that translates in your recipe units. One of the largest benefits to how Optimum Control functions is that every invoice you save will automatically change the cost of items that will roll into the cost of preps and products. Because of this, at any given time you can see the current cost of goods for any recipe. Running the Menu Product Detail Problems report will allow you to target any recipes over a certain desired percentage. When I run this report at 30%, you'll see several recipes that require attention as they have a higher cost than the desired percentage. This report lets us look at how these recipes are being made and potentially consider increasing the sales price or altering how it's made to have it fall within the desired percentage. After linking Optimum Control to your POS system, you will benefit from looking at the sales mix by product report that will allow you to see the cost of sales on any given day. Recipe costing does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. Using Optimum Control to set and maintain your costs is intuitive and easy. Linking to your POS gives you a complete picture of how your operation is performing and where you may need to give it a little more attention. To find out more about this feature and more, please give us a call at 1-888-798-5555 or visit us at trackrite.net.